Yeah, here is Jelax again. Today I've come with another banker. Kazi kubwa pesa dogo. Kazi kubwa pesa dogo. I think we must accept the term because this is what happened today in the city. Kazi kubwa pesa dogo. Kazi dogo pesa kubwa. I think it is opposite of each other. I wonder why the builder of the city is the one getting pesa dogo and the one sitting down and watching is the one getting pesa kubwa. And even that pesa dogo, they make sure they take some so that they continue having pesa kubwa and you with pesa dogo to remain where you are. If you want kazi dogo pesa kubwa, how pesa kubwa first, then you will be offered kazi dogo pesa kubwa. But you without money continue suffering with kazi kubwa pesa dogo, because kazi dogo pesa kubwa is for those who deserve it. I wonder why a civil engineer goes to Mujengo and a degree holder is advised to go to farm. This is because there is no job and available job is for those with pesa kubwa. I wonder why a form for liver sitting on a revolving chair, then a degree holder is suffering at the city. When you go to the city, 90% of hawkers wasiwa mayai, boda boda wasiwa mjei are the degree holders. But they do the common job because there is no job in the city. The available job is for those who have pesa kubwa. Then hao ndo wale vijana waliambiwa that vijana nyinyi ndio viongozi wa kesho. I think mngetuambia tu kweli vijana nyinyi ndio mateka wa kesho. At least ungekaa wakijua ikifika hiyo kesho there is no job, then kuambia vijana nyinyi ndio viongozi wa kesho, inafika hiyo kesho mna kazi. Kazi dogo pesa kubwa. Kazi kubwa pesa dogo. Kuna kitu kimekuja kuamini, for real all is gold. I think we should wait till we be old so that we can taste the gold. But for now, just sit aside and fight for your life because you're not old and you cannot taste the gold. At the old is gold. No wonder they take golden jobs. At ujana ni moshi. No wonder many youth in the city are using smoke because there is no job to do. All this gold. I think as you to get to aside to watch our say what you take job, golden job, then used to get aside to get smoke. It is high time to say now. As I end up, what is on my heart? Kazi kubwa, pesa dogo, pesa dogo, kazi kubwa. Think where you are, then judge for yourself. I think it to be what others. My name is Jelax.